Your body is made of organs. Your organs are made of tissues, and your tissues are made of cells. This right here is an animal cell. It makes up everything that's a part of you, and so it's important to know how it works. What we're going to learn about today is the part that keeps it all together, the membrane. The membrane is like a sac that holds everything inside. This is the special molecule that makes up the cell membrane. It's called a phospholipid. That's a big word, but it just means what it's made of. The head is phosphorus, and the tails are lipids, a phospholipid. The head's like heads, and the tail's like tails. So when you put more than one phospholipid near each other, they pull towards each other. But the thing is, if everything liked each other, they would all tangle together in a big clump. We can't have that. You see, heads like other heads, and tails like other tails. However, the heads and tails do not like each other. The phosphorus head is water-loving. The lipid tails are water-hating. It's like they're water and oil. Water and oil don't like each other. Here we have them in separate cups. Even if you pour them into the same glass, they separate. Oil sticks to oil, water sticks to water. But the two things separate and push away from each other. It's the same way in a cell membrane. Heads like heads, tails like tails, but the heads and tails push away from each other. So this special thing happens. They line up in a certain way. The heads are with the heads on the edges, and the tails are together in the middle. Here we see just one line of phospholipids, but if you got more and more together, they would make a long bilayer that looks like a wall. That is what the cell membrane looks like up close. And that's how phospholipids work together to make a cell membrane.